Hi everyone, this is Cheryl from the YouTube channel Desert Diva. It's a cold winter Monday, so let's talk about some warming comfort food. In New Orleans, red beans and rice is something locals get excited about. It's comfort food and rich with nostalgia and tradition. It's been rumored that Louis Armstrong was a fierce lover of red beans and rice, so much so that he would not propose to his wife until she made him the dish. And that he also signed his letters, "Red beans and ricely yours." Let's make some today and see what the fuss is all about.
These are the ingredients you'll need to place in your slow cooker. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and easy recipe and that you'll try it soon. Thanks for visiting today, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.